welcome friends. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have a little unboxing for you. I received my package from Elle Studio. So I believe this is August's kit. So let's get right into it. I'm waiting to get my new card. So just a thank you card with their information, their website here. And let me show you. This is the kit here. And these are my extra goodies that I ordered. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ordered. Little extra, my extra goodies. I didn't order a whole lot, but I did want to take advantage of the travel tab stamp. And it's just a stamp set here that has like packed and ready, departure, we found this, souvenirs, good eats, trip number, day number. I love that. And then it has the numbers and it has a star so that you can rate it. That's awesome. And then here are the tabs, the square one, the triangular one, or with the point at the tip, and then a round edge one. That one's cute too. But I love all the sayings because I do have my summer album, or I'm not sure if I'm just gonna do my San Diego trip because we took a little family vacation down there and figured that I would just dedicate those days, or if I should just do a whole summer album. So I haven't figured that out yet, but I definitely wanted to take advantage of this. So I got that. And then to match those, I got the folding everyday tabs, the metal dies. So I'm hoping that this will match this. And so here's the rounded one that goes right here, and then the pointy one that goes right here, and then the square one that goes right there. And then they have a round one too, and that's cute too. So yeah, these are the ones that I splurged on this time. So there's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what August's monthly kit is. Oops. I want to say that it's focused on school stuff. Kids are back to school or back in school. I showed the 3x4s last. So here are, let me start with this. So here's the die cuts that come with it. So it's like the last days of summer, soaking these moments up, the best of friends, game day fun, having so much fun together. Here we go, favorite. And I have a bunch of different assorted shaped labels. And I love this one with a little notebook for like back to school. That's cute. And then, let me see. I know they come with 2 sheets. There you go. Here's the second die cut sheet here. Hopefully you could see it. It says documented with the lined paper, labels in different sizes. I made this, that's cute. Enjoyed this, you did it, and current daily routine. So I love that, and it has different arrows and different colors. So that is cute. I love those. And here are the 4x6s. They only provide 3 4x6s. This day in numbers, and then it has like a way to journal there, and it has the sun here, so you could do label here or maybe like use as a weekly card. I do like the suns on there. It's very cute for the summertime, end of summer. And I absolutely love this, the pencils. So again, back to school, stuff like that, you could document that. So I love those, and I will show you the 3x4s. So first one's Go Team, and I love it because it's my daughter's school colors. She's in cheer, so she has that on her uniform there. I love this one. Remember for the record, the best. Fact number 1, 2, and 3. I can tell you right now that this would probably be perfect for my Thursday 3. Journaling card here that you could put the date at the bottom here, and I like that it has a little file tab so you could stamp something on there. That'd be cute. I love the notebook, I can't even talk. Notebook paper, that's cute. Exploring in town, out of town. Happiness found here, love that. Proud of you, I love that too. Let's go for sports, and again a back to school with eraser. I love that cute card there. This one has like letters for like the alphabet, kind of gives you the feel like of a chalkboard and stuff. That's cute. You can use as a journaling card. Documented. I love this. I think I'd probably use this to document my kids' probably first day of school, like, you know, the grade that they're in, and, you know, talk a little bit about their teachers and stuff like that. That'd be super cute. I love this composition book. That is so adorable. I love that. And then this one that says family, friends, fun outdoors, late nights, beautiful sunsets, good eats, treats, adventures, memories that will last forever. So like, you know, your last summer pictures to document. That's awesome. Supply list for school, of course, because, you know, you got to have those back to school lists to buy all their supplies. And I love this because it kind of gives you of what your routine changes now, because going from summer to back to the routine, you know, you already know, like, okay, I need to wake up this time, you know, breakfast this time, you know. So that's a cool, I like that card there that shows the changes of routine. And I love this colors of the rainbow, like a journaling card there. I love that. And then here's this last one that's got lines are to document for journaling. So very cute. I love the cards. I'll be using these. So I am almost caught up. I have to film week 32, I believe, or week 33. I can't remember. So I'll be filming this that video here soon, here in a bit, and hopefully I will be able to edit this and upload this for you to watch. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.